welcome to Innosys Power. I'm Kelly, and today I'll be speaking about the complementary services Innosys provides. Surge protection is our passion. We want to ensure that our customers and potential customers feel confident about the investment they are making. One of the complementary services we provide is a free site audit of your facility. We will go through your facility from top to bottom, looking for equipment vulnerability to surge damage. If available, we will request your most current single line diagram and panel schedules in advance of the site audit. This information reduces the amount of time we need to spend at your facility. We will inspect any SPDs you may already have on site to confirm their functioning and verify that they have been installed correctly. Think of this as free peace of mind. Once we have completed a facility tour, we will provide you with a detailed outline of where surge protection is required, what overcurrent protection is needed, if any. We will also let you know the upfront approximate shutdown time required for installation. We know our best customer is an informed customer. We will ensure that you, the consumer, your on-site maintenance personnel, and the contractor you are working with to install the SPDs are made aware of the importance of the installation. The installation of surge protection is just as important as the purchase. The two rules we live by are 1, shortest lead lengths possible, and 2, no sharp bends. These rules apply regardless of the device manufacturer. Our Total Protection Solutions brand of surge protection devices has a compact footprint, and our Innosys team members have a trained eye for making sure we're always able to achieve these rules. Once the SPD has been installed, one of our qualified team members who are available across Canada will request photos, come to site, or do a virtual phone call to ensure the install has been done correctly. Innosys ensures that through the entire process, all safety and installation codes are met. Lastly, in any phase of our design development of a new or retrofit project, the Innosys Power team has the full capability to analyze single line diagrams, panel schedules, and loads to determine where and when surge protection should be applied, determine the sizing, and write a comprehensive, up-to-date specification which can help eliminate questions at time of tender. At Innosys Power, we are dedicated to educating anyone and everyone, from electricians to distributors, engineers to procurement departments. We are certified with the Engineering Institute of Canada to provide continuing education credits on the topic of surge protection, and we are continuously providing this training. It's all complimentary and part of our service. The benefits of properly installed surge protection devices include extending the lifespan of LED lighting, a reduction in repair and maintenance costs, and achieving a solid return on investment through the 30-year life cycle of savings and sustainability. Innosys Power. Buy it once, protect for the long term.